Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is the look we're going for today. It is obviously very coppery and dark. But yeah, I think it is totally beautiful as always. Let's just jump into this tutorial. Let's go. So I am, as usual, cat. I am, as usual, starting off by doing my brows, and as usual I am using the Paradise Pomade Extatic from L'Oreal Paris. Next, I will be priming my lids, and today I am using the Milessis Active Eyelight from Emite Makeup. And I'm setting this using the Sheer Finish Loose Powder from Lumene. And now I will be going in with the Nubian 2 palette from Juvia's Place. And I will start off with the color Madagascar, with this brown one. And next I'll be going in with the color Kenya, which is this dark brown. And I will be putting this on the outer portion of my eye. Next, I will be going in with the color Ya, and I will be putting this on the center of my lid. Like so. And next, I think for my inner corner, I'll be going in with the color Nefertiti. And for eyeliner, I'm going in with the Eye Studio Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner 24 Hours from Maybelline. It's this little pot. And next I'll be taking the Jelly Pong Pong 2-in-1 eyeliner and shadow, and I will be putting this in my upper waterline. And for mascara, I am taking the veryme Extendalash mascara from Oriflame. And now we're doing my face, and I am starting off by taking the Ordinary Coverage Foundation. And for concealer, I'm going back in with the Milessis Active Eyelight from Emite Makeup. I'm also setting this with the Lumene Sheer Finish Loose Powder. And now I'm going back in with the Nubian 2 palette. And I will be taking the color Madagascar again, and I will be putting this under my eye. And I am going back in with the color Nefertiti. This one. And I am putting it in my inner corner. And now I'm going back in with the Jelly Pong Pong 2-in-1 eyeliner and shadow, and I will be putting this on my lower waterline. And I'm also going back in with the veryme Extendalash mascara and putting this on my lower lashes. Next, I'll be doing the rest of my face, so I'm going in as usual with the Infinity palette from Hallberg Cosmetics. And I'm taking the colors Mafe and Cigar for bronzing. And for blush, I'm going in with the color Andromeda. And for highlight, I will be going in with the color Virgil. And for lips, I'm going in with the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick. And this the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick, and this is in the color Vintage. Oh my god, girl! So I'm just going to pop on the Dauntless lashes from LA Splash and we'll be done. So just hang on a moment and I'll be right back. So this, you guys, is the finished look. Very coppery, dark, seductive. I don't know. But something like that. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. My eyelash is falling off. Yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and to leave a comment saying what you want to see next time or what you thought about this look, maybe. But anyways, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!